Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius 8 sign. This is February mid-month reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you Aquarius 8 sign and what's going on. What are the messages for Aquarius? Ten of Swords, Ace of Swords and Death. Nine of Cups, Ace of Wands and Seven of Swords. Okay, Nine of Pentacles. Wow. Wow. Aquarius, Seven of Cups under the deck. Maybe you have lot of options regarding your career, maybe in your relationship also. Very few you are in some confusion state, but I am seeing lot of options in career wise. So let's say your reading. Recent past, Ten of Swords, Ace of Swords and Death. There is one kind of ending between you and your person. Maybe it could be temporary or permanent. It doesn't matter. It don't matter. But Ten of Swords and Death. Maybe even though you have feelings for your person, you decided to end this with your person because they're sneaky, they played games with you. Maybe your person is manipulator, player type energy, because Seven of Swords is very sneaky. That's why truth coming out, Ace of Swords. You, some truth about your person, you came to know about it. That's why you decided to end. There is some type of ending, but some communication it was happened in between you and your person about something very particular. Then present, Nine of Cups, Ace of Wands and Seven of Swords. So there are some trust issues what I'm getting here. Still you have some feelings for your person. Still one part of you want this new beginning because with this person, because they're coming back with again miscommunication, false communication. Be careful, not for all, but they did something wrong to you because Seven of Swords is very sneaky energy. But Ace of Wands with Nine of Cups, maybe you are now concentrating on your career. You are more concentrating, you are investing energy on yourself. You started something new in your life, in your career, because Ace of Wands, passionate new beginnings in career. What I'm getting, because it is all about career and self-growth, what I'm seeing here. Future, Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles and Queen of Wands. Wow, what a beautiful energy, Aquarius. I think it's very powerful because Nine of Pentacles, you are concentrating on your career, financial abundance, and you will achieve it. If not, in future you will be. Because Ten of Pentacles, then immediate card, you will achieve financial abundance, material abundance, and Queen of Wands. You will be like this. Trust me, if you are working yourself, if you are investing energy on yourself, you will be like this. You don't want anyone. You are very independent. You don't need anybody. And you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. You stand by your power. You are looking very attractive now and very powerful, Aquarius. This is very good energy. But I am seeing some communication is coming from your person. Seven of Swords present, may Ace of Wands. So maybe your person want new beginnings with you because they still attracted to you. There's still a lot of passion in this connection, but it's up to you because now you are concentrating on your career. You are achieving financial stability and you stand by your power. This is very beautiful energy. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but lot of earth energy and air energy is here. Your judgment, some major decision your person is going to be make. So let's see your person current feelings. Seven of Wands, Aquarius, your person current feeling. Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Swords and Four of Cups. Yeah, they know they missed an opportunity with you. They're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you, Aquarius. They're feeling stuck. They're stuck on you because Eight of Swords. They're thinking about you are very independent person. You are stand by your power because Nine of Pentacles. They are thinking about you like this. You are very attractive. You are no more dependent on on them anymore, and Seven of Wands, but they won't give up on you. They're thinking about to fight for this connection. They're feeling sad for the missed opportunity, but right now they're stuck on you. They're feeling stuck. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Aquarius. But your energy is awesome, just awesome. Two of Swords, the Star. Okay, this is Emperor. Yeah, they really want to offer Ten of Cups happiness. Still you person at some crossroads, because they're stuck, they don't know how to approach you. And the Star with Ten of Cups, they're still hoping new beginnings with you. They're still hoping that you will give another chance to them again. And Ten of Cups, they really want this happiness with you, and they want a happy family with you. Under the deck, Eight of Pentacles. This time they really want to work on this relationship if you let them in. Okay, so the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. High Priestess and Hierophant. The Lovers under the deck. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. There is love. Definitely your person have love for you, and they're trusting their inner voice. They're listening to your intuition. And Hierophant, definitely they really want to offer commitment, and they want happy family with you. They're hoping for new beginnings with you. They're still stuck on you. They don't know how to approach. Maybe your person may be stuck on some situation. Two of Swords. There are some crossroads. Aquarius. Yeah. Ace of Cups with Nine of Swords. I think it's you are loving yourself. Three of Cups, reconciliation. For some it could be third party situation. Even though you are investing energy on yourself, still you are getting thoughts about your person, especially when you are alone, because Nine of Swords energy, you are missing them. You are also missing them. They are also missing you. You are also getting thoughts, a lot of thoughts about your person, and you are also thinking about them. And Three of Cups, still somewhere you also want reconciliation with your person. Still you have emotions and love for your person. For some, you investing energy on yourself, still you are getting thoughts from your person. Yes, some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states, the world. For some, so what I'm seeing here, your person wishing, your person thinking about new beginnings with you. They really want happiness with you. This Ten of Cups and the Star is still hoping for this happiness, but I am not. They will try. Yes, they will try after some time, but not in near future, because I want to be honest with you, because I'm not seeing any action cards here, because still your person at some crossroads. Two of Swords, but they won't give up on you. They're thinking like this. Maybe they're waiting for the right time to approach, because Seven of Wands energy is here. Yeah. They're also thinking about commitment, how to approach, because this time your person trusting their intuition. But you are concentrating on your career. Please do that way, and do yourself, put your energy on yourself, investing energy on yourself. Definitely you will see results day by day. Okay, this is not a permanent energy. Energy will change by time. Yeah, it's you. You stand by your power. So let's see your overall energy, Aquarius. Yeah, they're hoping, they're thinking about you a lot, they're missing you so much, but actions maybe in near future they will take, but right now I'm not seeing any action here right now in these cards. Yeah, it's you are seeing life in a very positive way. The Star, still you also hoping for this connection. You stand by your power, and yeah, they will take action, but it will take some time. Communication, maybe you can expect some communication from your person. They will take action, but it will take some time, because right now your person is stuck. So let's see your person overall energy, Aquarius. Two of Wands, they're thinking about you a lot. This could be long distance relationship. They want success in this connection. They want to fix the things between both of you. Still your person juggling. Yeah, this juggling will end in near future. Then they will come back to you to fix the things, and they want success in this connection, and they're thinking about you a lot. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck. Some cycles are repeating between you and your person again and again. For some, be bold and make the first move. So if they are not making any move, this is the message from universe. Be bold and make the first move. So what I'm seeing here, they're thinking, they're missing you so much. They're thinking about you a lot. Maybe they're taking their time to come towards you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.